Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the repair safe and fast. Power down the device and disconnect the cable. You do not want live voltage. Next, visually inspect the USB-C plug, strain relief and sheath for cuts or loose pins, using a magnifier if needed to find microfractures. Once done, collect tools, precision wire cutters, small wire stripper, soldering iron or a crimping kit, fine solder, and heat shrink tubing, sized for both the inner wires and outer jacket. You now expose and address the damaged conductors. Using a razor or precision cutter, remove about 1 to 1.5 centimeters of outer jacket. Make shallow cuts so you do not nick the inner wires. Once exposed, separate and identify power, ground, and data pairs by color and continuity. Trim away frayed ends. Then strip small amounts, tin leads with flux and solder for a secure electrical join, or use quality crimp connectors if sought. You finish by insulating and validating the repair. Position inner and outer heat shrink tubing correctly, then heat small inner pieces first for a tight seal, followed by the larger outer jacket for strain relief. After cooling, test continuity on each conductor and verify charging and data transfer with a known good device. If everything works, secure any added strain relief with adhesive or a molded sleeve. If you see intermittent behavior, make sure to reflow cold solder joints or consider replacing the entire USB-C plug assembly as the final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.